In this video, I'll be showing you how to make goat milk, oatmeal, and honey soap using a melt and pour base. We'll start with 1 pound of soap base chopped into small pieces to help it melt evenly. I'll be melting it in a double boiler, stirring constantly to ensure it doesn't clump. Once the base is fully melted, I'll remove it from the heat and add 2 tablespoons of colloidal oats. These oats offer several skin benefits. They're anti-inflammatory, making them excellent for soothing irritated skin, particularly for those with sensitive skin. Colloidal oats can help alleviate itching and irritation caused by conditions like eczema, viral rashes, or allergies. They also exfoliate by removing dead skin cells and impurities, revealing smoother, brighter skin. Additionally, these oats attract and lock in moisture by forming a protective barrier on the skin, helping to strengthen its natural defenses. They can also absorb excess oil and dirt from the skin's surface, aiding in pore cleansing and acne prevention. Before adding the oats to the soap base, I sift them to remove any large clumps, then gently stir them into the mixture. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of Manuka honey, which is known for its antimicrobial properties. This honey is a mild yet effective cleanser, making it perfect for skincare. I make sure to thoroughly stir the mixture, breaking up any remaining clumps. After pouring the mixture into a square silicone soap mold, which typically yields about 4 full bars, I'll spray the top of the soap with witch hazel to eliminate any bubbles. Don't worry about the scent, it will dissipate as the soap sets. Now, it's important to let the soap cure for a full 24 hours before using it. This allows it to fully harden and ensures that it's ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY skincare and craft projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.